Today, we're diving deep into Blofin Exchange, one of the fastest growing crypto trading platforms. If you've been searching for a secure, powerful, and easy to use exchange for futures or copy trading, this video is for you. I'll cover everything: features, fees, security, pros, cons, and of course I've got a special referral code, bonus88, that gives you extra trading benefits when you sign up. Let's jump in. Blofin is a centralized crypto exchange launched to offer advanced derivatives, spot trading, and institutional-grade security. It's known for lightning-fast trading execution, deep liquidity, and up to 150x leverage on futures. Yes, you heard that right. But what makes Blofin interesting is its focus on transparency. They publish proof of reserves, and their security framework meets ISO 27001 standards. Blofin's target audience? Traders who want high performance with lower fees but without compromising safety. Let's explore the main features that make Blofin stand out. 1. Spot trading. Blofin offers dozens of crypto pairs with smooth charts, instant execution, and low slippage. 2. Futures trading. You can trade perpetual futures with leverage up to 150. Great for experienced traders, but remember, leverage cuts both ways. 3. Copy trading and trading bots. If you're new, this is gold. You can copy top traders automatically or set up trading bots to execute your strategy 24/7. Blofin Earn. Blofin's Earn section lets you stake or lend your crypto to earn passive income, flexible or fixed term. Mobile app and user experience. The app is fast, minimal, and intuitive. Even if you're new, the interface won't overwhelm you. And don't forget the referral program. Using my code bonus88, you'll get sign-up bonuses or fee discounts, depending on current promotions. Blofin's trading fees are among the most competitive in the industry. Spot trading. Around 0.1% maker, 0.1% taker futures trading. Even lower for high-volume traders, no deposit fees. Withdrawal fees depend on the crypto network. They also have a VIP tier system. The more you trade, the less you pay, compared with other exchanges like Binance or OKX. Blofin's fee structure is very attractive, especially for futures traders. Now, let's talk about safety, the part most people skip until it's too late. Blofin uses cold wallet storage, multi-signature protection, and regularly publishes proof of reserves reports, showing they actually hold user assets one-to-one. They also have third-party audits and compliance certifications like ISO 27001, the same used by major financial institutions. Customer reviews on sites like Trustpilot are largely positive, with praise for fast withdrawals and responsive support. However, some users mention that Blofin is still relatively new, so always start small. Test and gradually scale your usage. Alright, let's walk through it. Go to blofin.com, link in description. Click Sign Up and enter your email. Add the referral code bonus88 in the referral box to unlock your bonus. Verify your account via KYC, simple, takes a few minutes. Deposit crypto. USDT is the most common. Start trading spot or futures immediately. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and set withdrawal whitelists for safety. Pros: high leverage up to 150 proof of reserves and solid security copy trading and earn features. Low trading fees, fast and modern app. Cons: still building long-term reputation. Limited fiat on-ramps, advanced futures might overwhelm beginners. Overall, Blofin feels like a hidden gem in the exchange world, especially if you trade derivatives. So is Blofin worth? Absolutely. If you're looking for a solid blend of security, speed, and low fees, it's a great option. Just remember, crypto trading is risky. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you decide to give Blofin a try, don't forget to use my referral code, bonus88, when you sign up to get your exclusive benefits. And if you found this review helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Crypto Deep Dive.